Have you ever dreamed of checking into a five-star hotel, lounging in a private infinity pool, or dining in Michelin-star restaurants, but thought, that's way out of my budget? What if I told you that luxury travel doesn't have to be expensive? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a millionaire to experience luxurious vacations, VIP treatment, and first-class accommodations. In this video, I'm revealing the top 10 most luxurious destinations where you can travel like royalty without spending a fortune. From tropical paradise getaways to European elegance, these destinations offer luxury experiences at a fraction of the cost. And make sure to watch until the end, because I'll share exclusive travel hacks that will save you even more money while getting VIP treatment. So let's get started. One, Bali, Indonesia, the island of affordable luxury. Bali. The name alone brings to mind tropical bliss, golden beaches, luxury resorts, and exotic landscapes. Bali. What if I told you that you could experience all of this for under $200 per night? Stay in private luxury villas for under $200 per night. Imagine waking up in a private villa with a personal butler, a pool overlooking the jungle, and an open-air bath. In Bali, you can find these for as low as $100 to $200 per night. World-class spa treatments for $10. Luxury in Bali extends beyond accommodations. How about a traditional Balinese massage by the beach? A 90-minute session at a high-end spa costs just 10 20s. Fine dining for a fraction of the cost. At high-end restaurants, you can enjoy a 3-course meal with seafood and wine for under $20. That's what a single appetizer costs in the US at some restaurants. Hire a private driver for $30 a day. Instead of expensive taxis, you can hire a private chauffeur for an entire day for just $30 and $50. You'll be driven to hidden waterfalls, sacred temples, and secret beaches while enjoying VIP treatment. Bonus tip. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Bali for luxury on a budget is during the shoulder season, April, June, September, November. You'll avoid peak season crowds and get 50% off luxury stays. Bali proves that you don't need to be rich to travel like royalty. To Vietnam, 5-star experiences for less. Vietnam is one of the best-kept secrets in luxury travel. Five-star resorts on the beach for just $100. Da Nang is home to beachfront resorts with rooftop pools and spa retreats that cost just $100 per night. Luxury Ha Long Bay cruises. What if I told you that you could book a private luxury cruise through Ha Long Bay for under $200 per person for multiple days? You'll have a private chef, onboard spa treatments, and sunrise yoga without paying yacht-level prices. Michelin-worthy meals for just $5. Vietnam's food scene is world famous. In Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, you can dine at restaurants recommended by Michelin for just $5 per meal. Custom suits and designer clothing for under $200. Vietnam is one of the best places to get high-end tailored clothing. In Hoi An, you can get a full custom suit or designer dress for less than $200, made from premium fabric and fitted to perfection. Vietnam is where 5-star luxury meets budget-friendly travel. Three, Portugal, European luxury without the price tag. Europe is often associated with expensive travel, but Portugal proves otherwise. Stay in elegant boutique hotels for $150 per night. In Lisbon, you can find stunning boutique hotels in historic palaces for as low as $150 per night. Fine wine tastings for $10. Portugal is home to some of the best wines in the world, and wine tastings cost just £10.20. Michelin-star dining for less than $50. In cities like Porto and Lisbon, you can enjoy a gourmet three-course meal at a Michelin-recommended restaurant for under $50. Cheap Uber and transport transportation in Portugal is surprisingly affordable. Ubers and taxis cost far less than in other European cities, making it easy to travel in comfort without overspending. Portugal is Europe's luxury travel hack. Four, Mexico, Caribbean luxury on a budget. If you want a Caribbean getaway without paying Caribbean prices, Mexico is the place to go. Stay in an all-inclusive resort for under $250 per night. In places like Tulum and Playa del Carmen, you can book luxury all-inclusive resorts with private beaches, infinity pools, and gourmet dining for less than $250 per night. Rent a private yacht for a fraction of the cost. Chartering a yacht in Mexico costs significantly less than in Miami or the Mediterranean. You and your friends can split the cost and feel like celebrities. So note swimming and private tours for cheap. Tulum is famous for its cenotes, natural underground pools with crystal clear water. A private cenote tour with snorkeling, food and drinks can cost as little as $50 per person. Luxury beach clubs with VIP service for $20.50. Tulum's high-end beach clubs offer oceanfront daybeds, premium cocktails, and DJ performances for a fraction of Ibiza's prices. Mexico is proof that you can experience the good life without spending big. Closing scene. Luxury travel is not about how much you spend, it's about knowing where to go. Which of these affordable luxury destinations is on your bucket list? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more budget-friendly luxury travel tips. I'll see you in the next adventure.